everybody. Today I'm going to start looking at this BMW project. The engine is stuck. I hope it's just stuck because it's spent a few years in a cold, damp garage. The more I look at it, the more problems I see. I can see here the rectifier unit is broken. So actually I really don't know what to do with this project. There are three possibilities. I could just walk away from it, just get rid of it, sell it. I could rebuild it as a nice cafe racer, or if all the parts are here, I could just rebuild it, make it original. It is a numbers matching bike, but I don't think the value is very high because I think BMW made a lot of these bikes. What I have to do first is figure out why this engine is seized up. So I will have to remove the rockers, the tension on the springs, because I can't move the engine around to the top dead center. I think actually the head should be loose now. Come. Ooh. Well, I don't know. Just have to continue. I'll just try to give it a whack here. It's completely stuck inside the cylinder. At some point there has come water inside there, and the piston is completely stuck inside the cylinder. I'm not sure how to get it out. I'll try to heat it a little bit and see if that will do something. Well, it hasn't moved 1 millimeter, it hasn't moved at all. It's like it's completely welded inside the cylinder. Fuck me! Hasn't moved at all. I'm destroying it. Well, I don't think I can use any more force on it. I think I'll have to heat it up a lot more. Get on the road and buy a gas powered heater. Probably a few BMW Airhead enthusiasts will start to cry when they see this, but just no other way to get this shit out. So I will just have to destroy it completely. Sorry about that. Okay, so I've cut out the complete section of the piston, but it is still completely welded to the cylinder. It's amazing. Okay, that one's gone. Yep, it's out. So let's recap a little bit about this first day. I've done a quick check of all the parts, and it seems like I have everything. I think it's actually 90 to 100% complete, but all the parts are worn out. It's most of the parts are not in a good condition. I completely destroyed the cylinder and the piston, so that I will have to renew on this right side. The head is not in a good condition, but I think it's savable. I just did a quick check in the parts pile, and I found most of the parts for the left side: cylinder, the head, the rockers and the piston. So I think everything is here. Missing a couple of nuts, but I will think I will find them somewhere. So now I'm in a bit of dilemma if I should continue with this project or if I should just run away. I have a problem making that decision right now because when I have to replace the cylinders, I have to buy this kit. I think it's really expensive. I don't know the correct price, but I think maybe 1500 euros or something. I have a decision to make if I'm just gonna leave it, run away from it, or if I should continue, and what I should continue with, if I should build like a cafe racer again, or maybe something else, I don't know. Or if I should just put all the parts together and make it original. So I will have to do some thinking. So if anybody is watching, please feel free to leave a comment. We will see next time.